Hello traders, welcome back to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe for more future tutorials. And on this video tutorial, guys, I'll be teaching you about the bulls and bear power, right? So the strength is important in the market. In fact, if you get into a trade and then you lose, and or only to find that you picked the wrong direction, it means that you were not aware of the strength of that pair which you were trading, or the asset which you were trading. So it is important to gauge the strength, right? So we have the bulls and bear strength indicator, as I've inserted them below, right? So the bulls, every time when the bars of the bulls are below, right? Every time when the bars of the bulls are below, as you can see here, guys, the first indicator, which is above, which is red, is the bears, right? Which means it is symbolized that the power, it symbolizes the downtrend power, right? And then the one which is here, which is bulls, is right, it symbolizes the uptrend power, right? Which is the bear, which means it's for buyers and sellers. So the first one is for sellers. So in this week, guys, the market was doing what? It was trending down. The overall score, it was a down trend. As you can see, it was a down trend this week, since our chart is 4 hours. It was a downtrend. Let us see. So what is good about this indicator is that even if your candle it's a buy, the bears will tell you that no, we are still in power in that candle, right? So what you have to do, guys, is to analyze the bulls and bear strength, right? Even if the candle is a buy, you'll see that the bulls were in power, right? And then even if the candle is a sell, you'll see a little bit of a bear and a bull movement. So what you are doing, guys, you have to look at what the bulls and bears are doing, right? Like in this case, in this zone, we had a lot of bulls activity, which means the bulls were in power, even though and the bears. Let us look at. I mean, the bears were in power here, and the bulls were there was nothing, which means there is no bias in this currency, the Euro USD. There was no bias in this zone, and remember, there is a stage of accumulation. What you have to understand, many people, when the indicator do something, they want to do that, they expect that it must happen at the same time. There's a stage of accumulation, guys, so you must use your indicators knowing that there's a stage of accumulations where orders are being packed in the market until the general direction it is set to happen, right? So during the stage of accumulation, that's why you should use your bulls and bear power, right? So that you'll understand. So here, guys, we're having a stage of accumulation, right? Stage of accumulation where the market, the bulls were in power. I mean, the bears were in power, and then the bulls were just scattered up and down, up and down, up and down. They are not consistent, right? I mean, the bulls which are here, guys, they are not consistent. Look at them. There was up, 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 which means the bulls are in power, then down, 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 then nothing, nothing, nothing. But the bears are consistent. They are consistent, right? So that's where you must take action. That's where you must take action, guys. Immediately you see that. Immediately you see that. Look at here. They are in power. They are in power. They are in power, and then boom, and then the general trend is downtrend. So what I'm trying to say, guys, is that there's a stage of accumulation. Every time when you use an indicator, it must not happen the same time, but you must understand that the market is busy accumulating orders, and then you must use your support resistance to see those zones of accumulations, right? And then after that, you look at the breakout. In fact, all indicators must be looked using you must use all indicators, guys, with what, with support resistances, because that's where you start looking at this thing. So for more combination on the support resistances, using the same strategy, you must make sure, guys, that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out the video. I hope you understood. The bulls and bear, I mean, indicator, it does not care. Even if the candle is up, you might find that the market, it was a buy. The chart tells you that it's still a sell. The bulls tells you that they were in power also. So it's all about this indicator. It is good when you are looking for accumulation stage and distribution stage. So I'll be teaching you that using this strategy. Until next time, guys, don't forget to subscribe on our channel. And for more questions, or if you didn't understand some of the stuff, please, I'll put my WhatsApp below. You can send a message on this video. Until next time, guys.